Hello, hello, hello. Happy Black Friday. Ta-da! So, welcome to the Black Friday vlog, the biggest shopping day of the entire year. So, I'm going Black Friday shopping. So, let's go to the mall. Okay, now we are at the mall. Look how Christmassy, it's so crazy. I'll show you guys outside, but look at the decorations here. So cute and looking stunning. Oh my gosh. Look at this. How sick is this? Okay, right now we are walking into public. They are giving 50% off because of Black Friday. ඉතින් අපි අතට ගිහින් බලමු මොනවද තියන්නේ කියලා. They got some electrical things like tablets, mobile phones, computers and books, toys like that. There is so many people. I don't know if I will be able to take good clips, but I try to get some good clips for you all. If it's not really good, I'm really sorry. ඒ වුණාට කමක් නැහැ. ඉතින් ඔයාලා මේක බලන්න. හරිද? Hari. So that's actually the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I just put the footage together and realized how all over the place it's kind of hard to film in a very busy mall, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed it. I will definitely do a part 2 of a haul and just kind of everything that I have bought recently. I love you guys so much. I hope you all have been having wonderful holidays, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.